Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify build a social media content app with Buffer and Zapier. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to Buffer's official website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one by entering your email and setting a password. Once logged in, identify your social media accounts and ensure they are connected to Buffer. Next, open a new tab and go to Zapier's website. Log into your Zapier account or create one if necessary. Once logged into Zapier, you'll see a button labeled Make a Zap. Click on this button to start creating your automation. In the trigger search bar, type in Buffer and select it. Choose a buffer trigger that fits your needs, such as new post. Click Continue and connect your Buffer account if prompted. Once connected, specify the social media account you want to use. Follow the instructions to test the trigger and confirm it works. Now, move on to that action step by searching for the app you want to connect with Buffer. Select the desired app, ensuring it integrates with your social media goals. Choose the action you want this app to perform when a new Buffer post is created. Click Continue and connect the selected app. Fill in any required fields based on your desired outcome and preferences. After configuring the action, test it to ensure everything is set up correctly. Review the details to confirm that you've set everything as intended. If all tests are successful, click Turn on Zap to activate your automation. Return to Buffer and create a sample post to see how the automation functions. Verify that the action occurs as planned in the app you connected. Congratulations, you have successfully linked Buffer and Zapier to automate your social media content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.